If you're thinking about selling your home and you're confused about title insurance and why you need to get that, I just wanted to talk a little bit about it, give you a little bit more information about it. So in Michigan's standard purchase contract, it states that the owner or seller will provide an owner's title insurance policy. And that does a number of things. That gives the buyer kind of peace of mind that there aren't any liens that are attached to the property that haven't been addressed. So we will get a title company to actually start a title search. And with that title search, they will do a thorough search of public records, looking for any existing liens or claims or other things that could affect the ownership interest of the new owner. Things like maybe encroachments, HOAs, building use restrictions, things like that. So once they've done a thorough search, they will then type up a report, which is called a title commitment. And that report or title commitment will outline everything that they have found in their title search. And it's really crucial for identifying potential issues that may need to be resolved before closing that could hold up a closing, which that's not what we want. We want smooth sailing. So, and if there are issues that need to be resolved, the title company will work with you, the seller, in making sure that everything is what we call clear, involved in terms of clearing liens or negotiating with other parties, like if there's a tax lien or maybe a mortgage is showing up from the person you bought the home from and it was never discharged, or at least it doesn't show up on public records. So those are the types of things that will need to be resolved. And some of those things that need to be resolved are, paying off your existing mortgage, at closing, which is a normal thing. And then finally at closing, the title company will issue the final policy. And that policy actually is effective the date of closing. And that protects the new owner, and it will give them, peace of mind that there are no issues related to the transfer of this property. So the title company also will conduct the closing. They will be dispersing your check based on what your proceeds will be from the sale of the home after paying off your mortgage and any other liens and things like that. So that's a little bit about title insurance. So I hope you have a great night.